Okay, so when the Santa comes in, he's going to look like this. And to get everything to print out exactly how you see it, you're going to do a couple things. So we're going to select them first and then go up to this side where it says ungroup. If you see over here in the upper right corner, click ungroup. That takes everything that was all kind of stuck together and ungroups it so that you can do more work with the individual pieces. The file is large, that's why it's just taking some time to load. Okay, so you can see all the letters here, and if you went to cut it on the mat now, these would all be in a row. So let me just show you real quick. So your letters and your numbers are all going to be like that instead of, let's see, where's the words? See, the words are down here, you can see, and then the numbers are all here in a row. Okay, well, we don't want that, so let me cancel that. I think my computer's a little slow too, so give me a second for it to load back up. Either that or Cricut Design Space is slow. Okay. All right, so what you're going to do is you're just going to take your cursor and hold the clicker down and then just select all of the letters. Now, you don't want to get the beard in there because it's a different color. And you can tell over here these are all grayed out, so they're all selected. And then the beard is not selected, the letters or the numbers in the beard. So you can see they're not selected. If you accidentally select them, just go ahead and try to do the box again. Otherwise, you're just going to have to select by hitting the shift key on these over here. Okay, so now once you have them all set up the way you want it, you can actually move these guys over as well. You're going to see they are still grouped, so I'm going to ungroup it again, and I'm going to move it over a little bit just to give you an idea of how this works. Oh, goodness, I'm just having a hard time with this design space today. Okay, so now I'm just moving it over. And all I did was draw the box and then just moved it over with my mouse holding the left key down. And then I'm going to over here down at the bottom right, there's a thing called attach. What that means is it attaches all of these to stay exactly where they are. So they'll no longer be in a straight line with all the letters straight across. And you can see up here it says attach as well. So you know that all the letters are attached. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the beard. And the beard, I don't need to get his little nose. So I'm just going to try to grab those numbers all together without grabbing his nose. And I can check it again over here, make sure I don't have his nose. Looks good. The nose is not selected. And then I'm going to go ahead and attach those as well. So you can see it attached all of those as well. Now, what it does over here is it puts whatever you're working on at the very top. So we just made a change to the letters so you can see they're at the very top now. So I'm going to go ahead and make it now, and you'll see that these are now all in the shapes and the orders that they were. This little guy is just the ball on his cap, but you can see now they're all in the same place that they were on the original file. See well, you can barely see it, but you can see all the letters are over here, so they're not all in a row going straight across anymore. And then you just go ahead and continue to make it. And that's how you keep things together inside of Cricut on one mat in the same way that you do see it. I hope that helps.